Ever wondered how we see images? It's a fascinating journey from our eyes to our brain. The process begins when light enters the eye, passing through the cornea and pupil, then lens, and finally reaching the retina at the back of the eye. Here's where things get interesting. The light is captured by specialized cells in the retina, known as photoreceptors. These cells come in two types, rods and cones, each containing light-sensitive pigments. When exposed to light, these pigments undergo a series of chemical changes. This triggers the activation of certain proteins called G proteins, setting off a cascade of events. These events result in the generation of electrical signals. So, in a nutshell, light triggers a series of complex reactions in our eyes, converting light energy into electrical signals. Next, we'll explore how these signals travel from the eyes to the brain, and how our brain interprets these signals to create the images we see. Now, how do these electrical signals reach our brain? Well, let's take a closer look. The electrical impulses generated by photoreceptors are carried by the optic nerve. This nerve, like a super-speedy expressway, transports the visual information from our eyes directly to our brain. Now imagine the optic nerve as a bundle of millions of nerve fibers. The fibers from the nasal half of each retina cross to the opposite side of the brain. This is why the right side of your brain processes information from your left visual field and vice versa. The final destination? The visual cortex, located at the back of your head. Here the signals are further processed and interpreted, ultimately creating the visual experience we perceive as an image. It's a remarkable journey, isn't it? So the optic nerve acts as a vital bridge, carrying visual information from our eyes to our brain. But it's not just about electrical signals, proteins play a crucial role too. As electrical signals zip along the optic nerve, they trigger the release of neurotransmitters like glutamate at synapses. These are the junctions between neurons in the visual pathway. Now these neurotransmitters bind to receptors on postsynaptic neurons, inciting changes in the membrane potential. This results in the generation of action potentials, essentially the neuron's way of passing along the signal. These action potentials, loaded with visual information, journey along the visual pathway until they reach their final destination, the visual cortex. Here in this area at the back of our brain, these signals are integrated and interpreted. It's like the brain's very own art gallery. The action potentials are the artists delivering their latest work, and the visual cortex is the curator making sense of it all. So, proteins and neurotransmitters are key players in the complex process of seeing. Now, let's talk about something that can harm our eyes: solar eclipses and sunshine. Looking directly at a solar eclipse without proper eye protection is a big no-no. This is because the intense sunlight during an eclipse can burn the retina in a condition known as solar retinopathy, leading to vision loss. But it's not just eclipses we have to worry about. Prolonged exposure to the sun's ultraviolet radiation can also do a number on our eyes. This can result in a variety of eye conditions such as cataracts, which cloud your eye's natural lens, macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss, and pterygium, an unsightly growth on the eye's surface. So, it's clear that while sunlight is essential for our vision, too much of it without proper protection can be harmful. As you can see, our eyes are sensitive and can be damaged by intense light. But fear not, we can protect our eyes. It's simply a matter of taking some precautions. When a solar eclipse comes around, never look directly at it without proper eye protection. Instead, use approved solar eclipse glasses or viewers that meet international safety standards to shield your eyes. These glasses are designed to filter out harmful rays, allowing you to view the eclipse safely. As for everyday sunshine, it's important to protect your eyes too. This can be done by wearing sunglasses that block out 100% of harmful UV rays. Besides, wearing a wide-brimmed hat can provide additional protection. Avoiding direct sunlight exposure, especially during the peak hours of UV radiation between 10 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon, can also help protect your eyes. And never forget, regular eye checkups are crucial for detecting any signs of sun damage early. Remember, protecting our eyes is vital for maintaining our vision and the intricate process of seeing. In our previous scene, we discussed the importance of protecting our eyes from harmful rays. Now let's delve deeper into the specifics of sunshine protection. To shield your eyes from the detrimental effects of UV rays from the sun and during a solar eclipse, you should follow these 3 crucial steps. Firstly, invest in a good pair of sunglasses. But not just any sunglasses. Make sure they block out 100% of UV rays. This information is typically indicated on the label or tag of the sunglasses. Your eyes are worth the investment. And remember, You don't have to sacrifice style for safety. Secondly, consider using a broad-brimmed hat to shade your eyes. This adds an extra layer of protection, shielding your eyes from sunlight that might sneak in from the sides of your sunglasses. It's a simple addition that can make a significant difference. Lastly, and this might seem obvious, but never ever look directly at the sun even during an eclipse. The intensity of the light can cause severe damage to your eyes. During an eclipse, use approved solar viewers or glasses, not your regular sunglasses, to safely watch this celestial spectacle. And remember, clouds do not block UV light. So even on a cloudy day, it's essential to protect your eyes. With these steps, you can enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while ensuring the health of your eyes. Stay tuned for more eye care tips in our next segment. Up until now, we have been discussing the immediate effects of sun exposure on our eyes, but it's important to recognize that protecting your eyes goes beyond just avoiding immediate damage. Let's delve into why this is so crucial. Firstly, sun exposure is a significant risk factor for age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. This condition affects the part of your eye that controls your central vision, leaving you with only peripheral vision in severe cases. Secondly, UV rays can contribute to the development of cataracts. Cataracts are a clouding of the lens in your eye which can impair your vision. Over time, this clouding can become so severe that it interferes with your daily life, making activities like reading or driving difficult. Lastly, while rare, prolonged UV exposure is a risk factor for some types of eye cancer. These cancers are often treatable if caught early, but they can lead to vision loss or other complications if left unchecked. It's clear that the impact of sun damage can be severe and long-lasting. This is why it's so important to protect your eyes every day and not just on those days when you're spending time outside in the sun. In addition to your daily protection routine, don't forget to schedule regular eye exams with an eye care professional. These exams are crucial for monitoring your eye health and catching any potential issues early. Early detection of eye conditions often leads to better outcomes and can help you maintain your vision long into the future. In our next scene, we'll discuss some more tips and tricks for keeping your eyes healthy and safe. Stay tuned. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground in this video, from the journey of light to the long-term effects of the sun on our eyes. We hope you've learned something new and valuable about the importance of protecting your eyes and maintaining good vision health. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up to support our channel Medicine Health 360. We're dedicated to bringing you high-quality, engaging content on a wide range of health topics. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. We would also love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Do you have any other tips for protecting your eyes? Any questions about what we've covered today? We're here to help and learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in our next video.